how do I find somebody who can appraise the value of intellectual property? I don't know offhand who it would be for yours, but I would probably search on business valuation experts to see who they'd recommend. When a company goes into bankruptcy, there are trustees who will handle the sale of assets within those companies or will certify the value of those intellectual property assets they might know. And then, of course, you can check in Google or ChatGPT to see who are some of the experts that are out there. The general concepts to consider are these. First, do you want to separate the companies so that if one of them gets sued or in trouble, the other doesn't go down with it? So a lot of times business owners with many different ventures will have different entities like corporations or LLCs, so that if one goes down, the others don't go down too. But that creates extra accounting because you have to maintain different bank accounts and tax filings and everything for all these separate companies. You can't say, hey, I'm going to keep 3 separate companies to avoid lawsuits and then actually run everything commingled together. The court will say, hey, you've been commingling, so they're all liable. So it might make sense to separate them out, but keep in mind there's a lot of additional costs with attorneys and accountants and tax filings and all of that. Insurance policies, payroll, whatever. So the main consideration is, are you concerned about lawsuits taking one down that might take them all down? The other consideration is, if you're thinking about bringing investors into one of them or selling one of them in the future, it might make sense to have it separated out now. That said, it may make sense to just keep it all together and then spin it off later into a separate entity when you're ready to bring in other investors or sell that division or that department or whatever it may be.